What if I told you that the secret to mastering any skill, to absorbing knowledge like a sponge, isn't about more discipline? It's not about grinding for hours with sheer willpower. The secret is hidden in plain sight, in the very thing that distracts us the most. It's in the design of the apps we can't put down. Think about it. You sit down to learn something important, but your phone is right there. A quick check turns into 30 minutes of mindless scrolling. It's not that you're lazy, it's that you're outgunned. Your willpower is a wooden sword against a billion-dollar laser cannon. These platforms are engineered by the world's brightest minds to be irresistible. But what if we could turn that cannon towards our own goals? This isn't about blaming the apps. It's about reverse engineering their power. We can extract the core psychological principles they use and hack them for our own growth. We can design our learning to be as compelling as social media. Let's break down the 4 key hacks. Hack number 1. Variable rewards. This is the slot machine engine of social media. You never know what the next scroll will bring. A hilarious meme, a heartwarming story. That unpredictability is thrilling. Apply this to learning. Don't make it predictable. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet, where cards are shuffled. Mix your topics. Hide fun, surprising facts, or mini-game challenges within your study sessions. Make your brain anticipate a rewarding surprise. Hack number 2. Bite-sized content. The infinite scroll works because each piece of content is a tiny, consumable unit. There's no daunting commitment. You just scroll one more. Apply this. Chunk everything. Don't learn Python. Complete one 5-minute coding exercise. Don't read a book. Read one 10-page chapter. Use the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then break. This makes starting easy and progress feel effortless. Hack number 3. Instant feedback and visual progress. Every like, every notification is a tiny hit of validation. You see your influence grow in real time. Learning often lacks this immediate feedback. Create your own feedback loops. Track your streaks on a calendar. Use apps that give you points and levels. After a study session, quickly test yourself with a quiz for that instant "I got it right" confirmation. Make your progress visible and rewarding. Hack number 4. Social validation. We are social creatures. We care what our tribe thinks. Likes and shares tap into our deep need for connection and recognition. Turn learning into a social activity. Join an online course with a community forum. Explain what you've learned to a friend. Share your milestones on social media or in a dedicated group. An accountability partner creates positive pressure, turning solitary study into a shared mission. This is the ultimate hack. It's not about fighting distraction, it's about redesigning engagement. By applying these principles, variable rewards, bite-sized content, visual progress, and social learning, you stop struggling against your psychology and start working with it. You are not just building knowledge. You are building a system that pulls you toward mastery. You are making learning not a duty, but a desire. Not a chore, but a choice you're excited to make every single day. Which hack will you try first? Drop a comment, hit like, and let's make learning your new addiction.